Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices and gathering codes. This saves time. First, power on the Roku and ensure it's connected to your TV input. Next, install fresh batteries in the Universal Remote and open its code list or app. Once done, point the remote at the Roku and press the setup or pairing button for 3-5 seconds to enter code mode. This initiates the learning process so the remote can communicate with the Roku. Now you'll input codes and verify commands. Do this step methodically. Enter the first manufacturer code for Roku shown in the remote's guide, then press power and navigation keys to test. If nothing responds, move to the next code. Repeat up to 5 common codes. If manual codes fail, use the remote's auto search or learning mode to cycle signals automatically. This takes longer, but it finds compatible codes by sending sequences until the Roku reacts. Finish by saving the working code and confirming all keys operate smoothly. Make sure input switching, home, playback, and volume work. If you have voice features, test them too. Once confirmed, label the remote or save the code in its app for future reference. If something fails, first replace batteries and repair. Then try switching between IR and RF modes if available. This often resolves signal mismatches. If problems persist, reset the remote and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.